Okay, guys, this is the pizzeria that DM wanted destroyed. Alright, let's destroy this place. I have an awful feeling about this place. Frob and Jasper, I just want to say that I'm happy that I got the Master Emerald back. Thank you very much. No issue, Knuckles. There you go, Clyde. Fix one of your extra legs. Thanks, Miyu. Now remember, Clyde, try not to worry too much about Nikusa. It's not worth getting angry at her. Yeah, I know, Miyu. Roof, roof. Hello there, Miyu. What seems to be the problem? Oh, Frob and Jasper, as well as Bagi. Glad you guys could come here. What I want you guys to do is to investigate the abandoned pizzeria where little kids have gone missing. You can bring the other mutants along as well. You can't bring Clyde though, because his leg is broken after he got in a fight with Nikusa. Yeah, me and Jasper can agree, Nikusa kinda sucks.